Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord.
Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord.
The promises of the Lord I will sing forever. Through all generations my mouth shall proclaim your faithfulness. For you have said, my kindness is established forever. In heaven you have confirmed your faithfulness.
Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord.
Bless the people who know the joyful shout in the light of your countenance, O Lord. They walk. At your name they rejoice all the day, and through your justice they are exalted.
Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord.
You are the splendor of their strength, and by your favor our heart is exalted. For to the Lord belongs our shield, and to the Holy One of Israel, our King.
Forever I will sing the